In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add members in Microsoft Planner. Whether you're using the web version or the desktop app, the process is nearly identical, so you can follow along on whichever you prefer. This walkthrough will help you confidently bring teammates into your plan so everyone can see tasks, collaborate, and stay on track. Start by opening Microsoft Planner and navigating to the specific plan you want to manage. Make sure you're actually inside the plans board, not just the planner homepage. You should see your buckets and tasks laid out. If you're working within a larger organization, double check you've selected the correct plan, especially if several have similar names. This avoids granting access to the wrong workspace. Next, look toward the top right corner of your screen for the Members button. It typically shows the current number of members, which is a quick way to confirm how many people already have access. Click this button to open the membership panel. If you don't see it, try expanding your window or closing any side panels, since the button can get tucked away on smaller displays. Some organizations limit who can add people, so if the button looks disabled, you may need permission from an owner or admin. In the membership panel, use the search field to type the name or the email address of the person you want to add. As you type, Planner will suggest matches from your organization's directory. Be precise if there are multiple people with similar names, and confirm the correct account if you see several suggestions. If your organization uses groups or distribution lists, focus on individual members for clarity unless you know the group is the right one. When the correct person appears in the drop-down, click their name to select it. You'll usually see a brief confirmation prompt, then click Invite to complete the action. That's it, they're now part of the plan. Depending on your organization's settings, they may receive an email or in-app notification, and they'll immediately be able to view the board, see assigned tasks, and participate in updates. A few quick tips as you wrap up. If someone can't be found, they may need to be added to your organization's directory first, or might require the appropriate license. If you accidentally add the wrong person, you can remove them from the same members panel. And if you're collaborating across departments, consider a short welcome note in the plan to highlight key buckets and conventions so new members can get up to speed smoothly.